Well, we're putting in a new sink, and this has got that bullnose border tile running around it. And so this is one of those where all you have to do is just knock out the border tile, and then the sink will come right out. Try it again. Well, that's a big old hot diggly dogs. Okay, well, it looks like in order to catch that corner, we're going to have to miter this joint and put that right there, and then the other. And the other ones will go like that on around, so we'll just have to do 4 corners with that, cut them. I think we're about halfway there. Got everything. Got a screw there. Got a screw over there. And we got one right here. That's just to hold it in place until we get our thin set up. And then plus we're going to glue it. It's glued in, so it's not going anywhere. Well, we got that sink in and tiled around it. You know, you really can't get anything in the back. But we had to, you know, that fill in that blank right there, being that we couldn't go straight back with that because of these corners were cut off of the sink. And of course we put the little small piece in the middle, so there's no chance of it falling out anywhere else, especially at a corner. And then we got the front corner, same thing, had to fill in that extra space. We come across, we had to do the same thing over here, corner piece here, our bull nose, and then down to the back. This is not an easy job. And it's not a fun job, but it's just something that has to be done. Now when you're mixing grout, you don't want to mix any more than you have to. Because you might need it for something else. But what you want to do is you want to get plenty, whatever you want to use. I just use a sanding pad. It's cheaper than a grout pad. And you just really want to work it into the cracks. Just really work it down in there good. Shove it up into the corner. And there again. Work it in there best you can. Get plenty on there. You cannot have enough because you can always clean it up and use it somewhere else. And then after you get it all on there the way you like it, just kind of come across at a 45-degree angle. You're welcome to come across it any way you like. Usually if you come across straight ahead, it'll dip down in there and drag some of it out. So that's why you want to kind of come across at a 45-degree angle. Okay, cotton is the best. There's nothing wrong with using paper towels. It's just they leave back a lot of leftover paper towel. If you use a real wet towel, what's going to happen? You're going to wash out all your grout. So you just want it very little damp. And you just want to be very gentle with it. Go over it real carefully. And you only want to do your sink area, or the area that you're working on.